Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me ask you something. Do you use the word very a lot? Like very big, very good, very important. It's not wrong, but it makes your English sound a little basic. So today I'll show you a simple trick to instantly sound more intelligent in English. Stop using very and replace it with stronger words. Here's the problem with very. It doesn't add real meaning. It just tries to make a word stronger, but in a lazy way. For example, very big. Instead of adding very, you can use a better word. Massive. Cleaner, stronger, more natural. And this is exactly what native speakers do. Let's go through some powerful upgrades. Example 1. Very big, massive. This building is very big. This building is massive. Feel the difference? Example 2. Very good, excellent. This idea is very good. This idea is excellent. Now you sound more confident. Example 3. Very small, tiny. The room is very small. The room is tiny. Shorter, but stronger. Example 4. Very important, crucial. This meeting is very important. This meeting is crucial. Now it sounds serious. Example 5. Very tired, exhausted. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. More emotion, more impact. So why does this work? Because strong words show better vocabulary, better control of language, more confidence. When you stop using very, your English becomes clearer, sharper, more professional. Let's imagine this in real life. You're at work. Your manager asks, "How was the presentation?" If you say, "It was very good," it's okay. But if you say, "It was excellent," now you sound more confident, and people take your words more seriously. Here's a simple way to practice this daily. Step 1, notice when you say very. Step 2, pause for 1 second. Step 3, replace it with a stronger word. Even if you only learn one word per day, in 1 month, you'll sound completely different. Don't try to learn 100 words at once. Just focus on small upgrades, from very good to excellent. That's how real improvement happens. So next time you speak English, ask yourself, can I say this without very? Because simple changes create powerful results. If this helped you, follow for more practical English tips, and I'll see you in the next one.